friends, welcome to Mondays with Marvin. I'm Lisa, this is Marvin, and today we are going to make clouds in a jar. Now the reason why we are making clouds in a jar is because one of Marvin and my favorite activities is to go out in our backyard, lay down in the grass, and stare up at the clouds in the sky. Have you ever done that? Have you ever pretended that you saw different shapes in the clouds? Marvin and I have. That's something we really enjoy doing. So we thought it'd be fun to make a cloud in a jar. And so Marvin, I'm going to put you on the side because I'm going to be using some very hot water. So I don't want him to get hurt. So I'm putting Marvin on the side. And what you're going to need, again, you're going to need that very hot water. I boiled some water. You are going to want an adult to help you with that. I don't want you to get hurt at home, GrapeSEED friends. You will also need a jar. I just grabbed a jar out of my recycling bin today. You will need some ice cubes, and then you also will need the metal cap for your jar that's actually going to hold the ice cubes, and then you just need some hairspray. So let's get started. What you need to do to make your cloud in a jar is you need to take your very hot water and have an adult pour some into your jar. Here we go. That should be good. See how much I poured in there? You can see the steam. You can tell how hot it is already. Then I'm going to take my metal top, I'm going to put it on there. Then I'm going to take my ice cubes and I'm going to fit as many as I can on that metal top. And I can tell it's not going to want to stay on all the time. That's okay. There we go. I was able to fit 3 on there. You can tell if you look at our jar that it's starting to fog up. There's a little bit of fog, but not enough for a cloud, right? That's where our hairspray comes in. I'm going to lift the lid. I'm going to just spray a little in there. And then when I put the top on, oh my goodness, can you see our cloud? Can you see it forming? Isn't that amazing? We just made a cloud in a jar. How cool is that? Marvin, come take a look. Oh my goodness, he can't believe it either. What do you think is going to happen to our cloud if I take the lid off? What do you think is going to happen, Marvin? Should we find out? Okay, I take the lid off. Can you see that? Let's see if we can blow it. You can blow your cloud away. And then if we put the top back on and we wait a little bit, it will start to rebuild again. And when you take it off, there's some more clouds. If you want to make it super cloudy again, just take your hairspray, give it a squeeze, put the top on for a moment, and watch it build. That's amazing. Look at it. You can see it swirling in there from the hot water and the cold ice. It's coming together and making a cloud, and then when you take it off, oh, there goes our cloud up into the sky. Marvin and I hope you have fun making your cloud in a jar today with your family. Remember, you are going to need an adult's help with this because of the very hot water. Please check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn for more fun ideas with GrapeSEED. Bye, friends.